This video is a tutorial on a step-by-step process on how to create a Remotask account. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. In their website, we're going to click sign up. Press I agree to the terms of service and UADPA, accept cookies, continue with Google. Choose an account. And from there, we're going to scroll down and press continue. After that, we're going to verify our account. Now we're going to choose our country. After that, please input your phone number. Now we're going to input the 6-digit verification code that was sent to us. After that, press verify. And now verification has been successful. After that, we're going to press next. Choose our location, make sure it's right, and press next again. And now we're going to input or answer what's your computer RAM. Next, press next. After that, press start. Scroll down, make sure to read everything and press continue. In terms of getting paid, again we need to read this out and again press continue. In security, we're just going to simply press continue. Make sure to read all of the following information and again press continue. We're going to press continue until everything or every page has been read. And final section about answering questions and make sure that everything is correct. We're asked for you should never install another software to do the answer is true. Check answer and continue. Next question is, you should flag this to the check answer and continue. Next question, your friend is also answer. Your friend wants to learn how to password work. Can you install your friend? No. Check answer and continue. If you're working on a very project, want to share your project with me, but I'm not skills and information about press. Can you post it? Press no. Check answer and continue. Last question for false. Usually means our fake things appear common this way. Usually means our fake things appear. Usually means our fake things appear common on 100%. That's true. Check answer and then continue. Again, read everything and press continue. Press continue, scroll down, and press start tasking. And that's how you make a Remotask account. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.